Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the SOUNDCORE Rave 3S speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily install its app for your iPhone and how you can easily set up your speaker with this application. At first we have to enter the App Store and now we have to enter search. In the search bar we have to search for SOUNDCORE. Here, SOUNDCORE. As you can see now, this is the application. Here we have to tap get or this cloud icon, and if we have get, we have to authorize ourselves using the Face ID or Apple ID password. Then we have to open our application, grant permissions for Bluetooth and for everything else, and then as you can see, now we have device found. We have to tap connect, and if you have your device not found, you have to click the Bluetooth button on your speaker. Goodbye!